In this video, we're going to talk about how to find the indefinite integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. Now, in order to find the integral, we need to use trigonometric substitution. So let's begin by replacing x with tangent of u. So dx is going to be the derivative of tangent, which is secant squared. And it's going to be secant squared u du. So let's replace x with tangent u, and let's replace dx with secant squared u du. So we're going to have the integral of 1 over 1 plus tangent squared, and then times secant squared du. Now, what do you think we need to do at this point? What's our next step? Now, you need to be familiar with the Pythagorean identities, one of which says 1 plus tan squared is secant squared. So we have the integral of 1 over secant squared times secant squared u du. Secant squared divided by secant squared, that's going to be 1. So now we have the integral of 1 du. And the antiderivative of 1 du is just going to be u plus some constant of integration c. So what can we replace u with? Now let's focus on this expression. If x is equal to tangent u, what does u equal to? So u is going to be the inverse tangent, or the arctangent of x. So our final answer is going to be arctangent of x plus c. So this is the integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared. This is the final answer.